Many people have dreams. Maybe you want to travel the world. Maybe you want to start a small shop. Maybe you want to learn a new language. Maybe you want to be a teacher, a doctor, a singer, or a writer. Dreams are important. Dreams give us hope. Dreams give us direction. Dreams make life exciting. But very often, there is one big problem that stops us. That problem is self-doubt. Self-doubt means you do not believe in yourself. It means you think you are not good enough. It means you tell yourself, I cannot do this. I will fail. I am not smart. I am not strong. These words are very heavy. They make us afraid. They make us weak. They stop us before we even start. Have you ever had this feeling? You want to try something new, but then a small voice inside says, no, you will not succeed. Do not try. You will look stupid. People will laugh. That is self-doubt. It is like a wall between you and your dream. Why do we feel self-doubt? One reason is fear. We are afraid to fail. We are afraid to make mistakes. We are afraid of what people will say. Another reason is past experience. Maybe in the past, someone told us we were not good enough. Maybe we failed before, and now we think we will always fail. Another reason is comparison. We look at other people and say, they are better. They are smarter. They are stronger. I cannot be like them. Slowly, self-doubt grows. But here's the truth. Everyone feels self-doubt. Even strong people, even famous people, even successful people. They also feel afraid sometimes. They also hear the small voice that says, you cannot do it. The difference is that they do not listen. They move forward anyway. That is how they achieve their dreams. So, how can we overcome self-doubt? How can we believe in ourselves and go after our dreams? The first step is to notice the voice. When self-doubt speaks, do not ignore it, but also do not believe it. Just say, I hear you, but I will try anyway. Remember, thoughts are not facts. Just because you think I cannot does not mean it is true. The second step is to start small. Dreams are big, and big things can feel scary. But every big thing starts with small steps. If you want to write a book, start with 1 page. If you want to run a marathon, start with 1 kilometer. If you want to learn English, start with 10 words a day. Small steps build confidence. Each small success makes the voice of doubt weaker. The third step is to remember your past wins. Think about times when you were afraid but you tried and you succeeded. Maybe it was passing a test. Maybe it was speaking in public. Maybe it was solving a problem. These memories are proof that you can do hard things. When self-doubt says, you cannot, your memories say, yes, you can. The fourth step is to talk kindly to yourself. Self-doubt is unkind. It uses negative words. You need to use positive words. Instead of saying, I cannot, say, I will try. Instead of saying, I will fail, say, I will learn. Instead of saying, I am weak, say, I am growing. Words are powerful. The way you speak to yourself shapes how you feel. The fifth step is to find support. You do not need to chase dreams alone. Talk to friends who believe in you. Share your plans with family who support you. Look for teachers or mentors who guide you. When you are weak, their belief can give you strength. The sixth step is to accept mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes do not mean you are a failure. Mistakes mean you are trying. Each mistake is a lesson. Each lesson makes you better. If you wait for the perfect moment, if you wait to be perfect, you will never start. But if you accept mistakes, you can move forward. Self-doubt is like a shadow. It follows you, but it does not control you. When you take steps toward your dream, the shadow becomes smaller. When you stop, the shadow becomes bigger. That is why action is so important. Action kills doubt. Imagine this. You want to learn guitar. The voice says, "You will be bad." But you start anyway. At first, it is hard. The sound is not good. The voice says, "See, you cannot do it." But you continue. Day by day, you learn a little. After some time, you can play one song, then another, then more. Now the voice is quiet. Now you believe in yourself. This is how we overcome self-doubt. By action, not by waiting. Dreams are not easy. They take time. They take work. They take patience. But the biggest fight is often inside us. If we win against self-doubt, we can move forward. If we lose to self-doubt, we stop before we start. Remember this. You are not the only one who doubts. Everyone doubts. But not everyone listens. You have a choice. You can listen to doubt and stop, or you can listen to hope and move. Which one will you choose? Life is short. Do not spend it only doubting yourself. Do not spend it only watching others live their dreams. Your dream is waiting for you. Your dream is possible. It does not matter if it is big or small. What matters is that it is yours. So next time self-doubt speaks, answer back. Say, "I will try. I will take one step. I will not stop." And then do it. One step, then another. Soon, the wall of doubt becomes a door. Soon, the dream is not far. It is near. It is real.